The challenge just getting started. Products won't diminish. Video games and movies. Hurry up. Come on. Let's play to the finish. I'm the one, the only. Yes, you got it right. Unboxing Chinglish. Unboxing Chinglish. Thank you for joining me today and also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. And I got to give a shout out to those who just subscribed to the channel. I greatly appreciate you also. Today, we have the Cosmic Red Dualsense wireless controller, PlayStation and Sony. There you go. But before we get started, I've always kind of been like a controller collector, and I want to show you some of the controllers I have. Okay. 20th anniversary PS4 controller. Here we go. 500 million PlayStation 4 controller. A gold color PS4 controller. Xbox One Elite Series 2 controller. And then I have 3 Nintendo Switch controllers. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. But the granddaddy of them all has to go to the PS5. I have 2 of these. The DualSense wireless controllers for the PS5 and the color white. And then this one I unboxed yesterday, the Midnight Black DualSense wireless controller. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. Here we go. I'm not going to read anything on the back today because I already did that yesterday. Okay. Well, I end up losing my bullet knife again, so I'm gonna use this utility knife. Here we go. Let's cut this open and see what's inside. I'm kind of like hyped for this because black and red has always been my favorite color. Okay, and I also purchased this from Sony Direct. Okay, let's go. I hope I don't destroy this box like I did the other one yesterday. Cause it's not coming out just like the other one. So I'm just gonna open it up this way. Got your instruction manual like yesterday. There you go. DualSense wireless controller and Spanish and English. There you go. And then, whoo, that is nice. The Cosmic Red DualSense wireless controller. There you go. Man, that looks sweet. The red colors, even the buttons are even red. And then the black features on the bottom. And no, I still don't have a PS5 yet. But I'm gonna continue buying stuff for it. I like just collecting things, you know what I mean? There you go. Cosmic Red DualSense wireless controller for the PS5. Absolutely fantastic color. I'm glad they came up with this. Okay, don't go away just yet. I have a movie. Here you go. Birds of Prey. There you go. And like before, if you scan this QR code right here, it's instantly yours. There you go. Okay. Remember, always remember, don't sell yourself short in life. Take it to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.